What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm in my garage to show you the latest mod I have done for my V2 Panigale 2021. These are the Rizoma stuff. If you don't know what they are, you shouldn't be watching this video at all. I installed it already because unfortunately the video of the installation came bad in terms of audio because I had some maintenance work around the garage the same day. So I will take one off and show you the process. It's very easy. It's a 10-minute installation. If you have someone helping you, it's even better. If not, you can do it by yourself like I did. So let's get into it. This is the mirror and it comes only with this. No instruction, nothing. This is a spacer with a double face. The yellow side you are seeing now is a sticky side. You need to peel off this yellow paper and stick it on the mirror. And the soft side will be in contact with the fairing. I will use it like this, because in case I wanna change it, I still have it. And this is the lower part that will go inside the bike where the original screw was. Quick note, you cannot utilize the stock bolts because they are long, so you need to go ahead and buy the same size and shape bolt, but in a shorter version, a little bit shorter, like 2 millimeters or something like that. We're going in with the bolt sticking out. Try to tighten it. When the screw is a little bit inside, it's easier. Very, very easy. At least you know it's there, it stays there. We don't drop it, because if you drop these mirrors, wow, you will not have a happy day. With all the money they cost, and the fact that Rizoma doesn't provide no screws, no restriction installation, because they think it's easy. It is easy, but at least give the screws. Apparently I'm not the only one. Someone is using the vacuum in the garage. I don't know, maybe they are cleaning the car or something like that. Once the mirror is in, I need to come up here to make sure it's aligned, because it will not align itself. That's it. Super easy installation, and you know, if you have a person, it's even faster. If you are wondering how I got the view from the other side, I will show you. Look, this is it, and ciao.